Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have solved my previous video's assignment problem. In this video, we are going to solve few more problems on the same topic. So without further ado,
आइए देखते हैं बैठचंद मजा आएगा ये
okay. In the question, it is given that by selling 15 pence, a man recovers the cost of 20 pence. Find his profit or loss percent. It is saying that selling price of 15 pence is equal to my cost price of 20 pence. Students, we can say that there are two unknowns. There is selling price and cost price. There are two unknowns. So I have to assume one of them value as x or 1. Tell me whose value should I consider, x or 1, and what, x or 1. In this question there is not specified any value like in terms of rupees. So I can consider one of them value as 1 rupees. But tell me whose value should I consider as 1 rupees? Is it selling price or cost price? Now to understand this problem, look at me. If I want to sell this phone, tell me guys, if I want to sell this phone, tell me for how much should I sell it so that I will get profit? Yes, you are right. If I want to sell this phone, first I should get to know what is the cost price of this phone. Then and then only I can define the selling price so that I will get profit. Similarly, in this situation, first I should get to know what is my cost price. So cost price I will assume of one pen is nothing but 1 rupees. So I can say that my selling price of 15 pen is nothing but cost of 20 pen, which will become now 20 rupees because my cost price of one pen is nothing but 1 rupees. And if I want to find the profit, then I should consider cost price quantity also 15 pence. So cost price of 15 pen is my 15 rupees. Sir, my selling price is 20 rupees and my cost price is 50 rupees. That means my profit is 5 rupees and the profit percent is nothing but 5 by my cost price. So 5 by cost price is nothing but 5 by 15. 5 by 15 is nothing but 0.333, which is nothing but in terms of percentage is nothing but 33.33 percentage. This is how we solve this type of problem. But student, I want to solve this problem without touching pen and within 5 to 10 seconds. How can we solve? So now look at me. In the question it is at 15 pence, a man recovers the cost of 20 pence. That means I have bought 20 pence and I am selling 15 pence and I have kept that 5 pence. Okay, I am buying 20 pence. From that I have sold 15 pence and now I am having 5 pence. That means I have what I can say that I have profit of 5 pence. That means my profit percent will be now that 5 pence. How can I calculate the profit percent? So 5 pence divided by quantity of my selling price. So which is nothing but 5 by 15. So 5 by 15 is nothing but 0.33, which is in terms of percentage nothing but 33.33%. I will again explain. I am having 20 pence and from that I am only selling 15 pence and I am still having 5 pence. So this is my profit. This is my profit. And now I want to find in terms of what? Selling price or cost price? Selling price, not cost price. So you might considering that I have told you that profit percent equal to profit by cost price. But this situation applies only when the value is given. That is, the cost price is given in terms of value. When money, then this formula will apply. But when quantity is there, okay, this is 5 pence is quantity. So I will consider, always I will consider selling price, sorry, selling quantity. So 5 and selling quantity is 15. So which is nothing but my 33.33%. This is in terms of fractional, but we will multiply with 100. So let's solve one more problem. The selling price of 10 article is equal to the cost price of 30 articles. Find his profit or loss percent. Simple, the same technique. I am buying 30 articles. I am only selling 10 articles. Now I am having profit of three articles. Now I will compare these 3 articles with my selling quantity. What is my selling quantity? Which is nothing but 10. So 3 by 10 is nothing but my 30%. 0.3, but I will multiply with 100 will become 30%. This is how we solve. Simple, guys. My profit is of 3 articles. Comparing with my selling quantity, which will now become 3 by 10 multiply by 100, which is nothing but 30%. This is how we solve these type of problems. Now in the comment section, tell me the answer of this problem. The selling price of 80 article is equal to the cost price of 120 articles. Find his profit or loss percent. Same technique, within 5 to 10 seconds, not 5 to 10 seconds, within 2 to 3 seconds you can solve, and without touching pen. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share with your friends, and in the comment section tell me the answer, and please do not forget to subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.